2004. The power of word of mouth started to pay off. 2004 saw an upsurge in qualifying travelers. They were treated to royalty in Puerto Galera and the lavish shopping spree in Hong Kong. Exactly 5 years after its success in the Philippines, Edmark opened its first international branch in Dubai. The company's first slimming food supplement, MRT Complex, was launched. Another milestone was the first national convention held at the PICC Plenary Hall.
Inis ng mga crowns manager sa Mindanao kasi sila yung mga unang mga crowns kasi. Tapos isa lang dito sa Luzon, 5 sa Mindanao. Yun yung mga malalaking mga bonuses. Tapos inspired sila talagang magsalita sila talagang with authority kasi malalaki yung kita nila eh. Pires, sina Pablio, si Son, yun ang mga malalakas doon sa mga.
Nandun kay manager pa ang posisyon namin. Nakita ko talaga si Pastor Nat kung saan in-award siya as Crown Manager. Pinakita yung sahod niya na 5 million. Nag-umpisa siya ng 5 million. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, sa sunod aakatuin ko na maging Crown Manager din ako.
And before the year's end was the awarding of the first house fund to Crown Managers, Mr. and Mrs. Anafo Trinidad. The first quarter of 2005 started off with a bang with the opening of the first franchise center in Santa Rosa, Laguna, owned by Mr. and Mrs. Isabelo Torres.
Naisipan niya magpunta rito sa Cubao na mag-apply siya ng kaprasong tindahan lahat para po yung mga taong gusto kumuha ng product ay meron na po silang pupuntahang tindahan. Po, ang nalaman ko na lang po, nung bagdang huli na, ay franchise na po ang aking nalaman. Dahil sa nagpunta po yung presidente na si Sir Joey Ortilla at nagtatanong kung meron na kami nakuha na building. At sabi ko, nagulat pa, sabi ko, bakit franchise? Wala naman kami alam sa pagpatakbo ng franchise dahil sa unang-una wala kaming alam sa ganitong networking business. Ay dumating na lang sila Ma'am Vanessa, si Ma'am Marie, si Ma'am Joy, sila po yung mga tumutulong sa amin.
Sir Joey, ang kasama ko sa paghanap ng pwesto, kasama si Ma'am Cherry. So, nung time na yan, naghanap po kami ng pwesto sa Santa Rosa. 1 week namin hinahanap yung pwesto. Yun, yung natagpuan namin yung aming sa may barangay labas. At saka dumating si Sir Jim. Yun, nabuo na yung aming Edmark franchise. So, nagbayad ako ng 250,000. So, nag-start kami, nagtutuloy kami ng January 8.
Nung at that time, ako yung ikinuha ng bilang marketing officer ng Edmark Santa Rosa. So, meron sa aking mga nagtitraining. Galing dito, pumupunta sila doon sa Santa Rosa para i-training. Yung privilege na nakukuha namin, sobra talaga. Gawa ng mismo pang mga empleyado ang pumupunta sa amin.
More achievers were reaching the crown, and this paved the way to the first ever Crown Council held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. 2 breakthrough health products, Shake Off Phytofiber and Red Yeast Coffee, were launched. 9 more franchisees were opened: Marbel, Blumentritt, General Santos, San Francisco, Makati, Tacloban, Surigao, Lucena, and Tanawan. 2006. More and more lives has been transformed through Edmark's educational system, as proven by the first to become double crown managers, Mr. and Mrs. Anafo Trinidad. To intensify this venture, Edmark launched the Speakers Training Program. It trained and equipped leaders to become speakers and trainers for EES seminars.
And I'm one of the first batch this program. And because of this Speakers Training Program, we develop more people also to be a successful person.
Edmark's expansion continues as it opened 11 franchisees: Naga, Aurora, Dasmariñas, Alabang, Isulan, Maramag, Rojas, Lipa, Bacolod, Calamba, and Iloilo. 2007. In time for Edmark's 8th anniversary, the first Miss Edmark Philippines pageant and Sports Fest was organized and hosted by the company. Since then, beauty pageants and Sports Fest, along with other festive events, accentuated anniversary celebrations. Edmark remains steadfast as 10 more franchises opened. Tarlac, Candon, Batangas, Tuguegarao, Fairview, Angeles, Antipolo, San Pedro, Pasay, and Bulacan. 2008. Two exciting additions to Edmark Philippines healthy food supplements, collagen and bubble tea, were launched. This, along with BioElixir, completed the latest P4 Healthy Slimming and Beauty program. Edmark sponsored the first largest holiday trip to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It gathered a total of 120 delegates from Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Ghana, Nigeria, and of course, the Philippines.
Kung hindi kami nakapunta doon, hindi namin maunawaan dito sa ating business. For one is yung Edmark City. Edmark City, talagang sa akin, it's just a dream. Pero nung pumunta ako sa Malaysia at nakita ko yung mga places doon kung paano dinevelop ng isang ng mga visionaries yung mga places nila, doon ko talaga naintindihan kung ano yung sinasabi ni Mr. Samlo na pagtatatag ng Edmark City dito sa Philippines. Akala ko, sabi ko nga noon, nung nag-speech ako doon, tayo mga Filipinos na yung pinaka-hospitable na tao. Pero nung pumunta kami sa Malaysia, talagang wala akong masabi. Hats off talaga po ako sa ating mga host doon, kay Mr. and Mrs. Samlo at ang kanilang mga empleyado doon na talaga naman todo bigay po yung kanilang pag-welcome tsaka pag-entertain sa amin. They really made sure na comfortable kami at magiging enjoyable yung trip na yon.
Sumasakay ka dun sa mabilis, bigla kang itataas, bigla kang ibababa. Ayun, mayroon ako nakilala pa doon na isang nag-aaral ng medicine at na-share ko pa patungkol sa ating Panginoon Jesus habang nakapika kami dun.
The business continues to flourish in the country as it opened 5 franchises: San Fernando, San Pablo, Cabanatuan, Baguio, and Lawag. 4 years after its success in the Middle East, Edmark lands in Africa as it opened the first branch in Accra, Ghana. All these non-stop leaps demanded real-time and global broadcasting of information and updates, and thus the birth of Edmark's very own blog. 2009. As World Trade and Commerce keep tab with advances in information technology, Edmark kicked off this year by harnessing the power of the internet and mobile communications with the online CIS, Electronic Mobile Inquiry System, and e-account. This triad makes transactions like family tree monitoring, bonus inquiry, and points redemption possible anytime, anywhere, with just a few clicks or SMS commands.